Hey guys, Cyclone here, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a smoke arrow. Like Hawkeye. You know, the show that came out 3 months ago. Oh man, I should really start editing these. Yeah, it's Super Bowl Sunday, if you don't know. Yeah, I'm going to a party in like 2 hours. I don't know why this is taking me so long. But that's not the issue we're gonna focus on. Let's just kick it into the video before I say something else stupid.
My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. Come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever.
Alright, so here is the Mark 1 smoke arrow with a 3D printed knock, by the way, which you can find on, well, my Tinkercad, because I code with Tinkercad. It's super easy and I'm too lazy to figure out Fusion 360. And it's also on the website, cycloneslayer.com. Now, I'm not going to put a smoke bomb in here yet because I don't really like the idea of putting something on fire next to my wood bow without knowing how the arrow is going to perform. So I'm going to do a couple test fires first. Oh, that's pain. It broke off. I'm not really sure what I thought would happen if I turned the knock 90 degrees and then didn't reset it. But of course it broke off. I don't know why I thought that wouldn't happen. But, new arrow. Let's do this again. That's about perfect, actually. Got about that much depth before it stopped. Alright, let's go hot glue a smoke bomb into this. We got a new smoke arrow. It's time to test it. Uh-oh. I didn't draw it back enough, but it's still making smoke. That's an interesting issue. Should probably, penetrate with the shot.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
You saw the smoke, I saw the smoke. It's not a huge smoke bomb, but that is technically a smoke arrow. This is not clickbait. Why do my hands look so big? While you're here, go check the website, cycloneslayer.com. I just updated it with some new stuff, new products, new videos. This video won't be there for a little bit because I'm too lazy to update a website, as you can tell by the fact that I haven't uploaded a video in about 3 months. But make sure to go to the website, watch some videos, buy some stuff. I need money. These projects are not free. And make sure to subscribe down below for weekly videos. They're technically only weekly if you go back and watch a video every week. But by the time you do that, I'll finally have something, we hope. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below to join the storm, and I will see you in the next video. Cyclone Slayer over and out.